If you've ever walked out to your flower beds and noticed the petals are distorted, silver streaking on the leaves, or the blooms just look off in a way you can't quite explain, that's thrips. And if you've ever had aphids coating the new growth on your dahlias, or whiteflies cloud up every time you walk through the zinnia beds, you already know how fast a pest problem goes from a few bugs to something that costs you blooms. Here at the Lost Acre, pest management is one of the most important things we do all season. Today, I'm going to show you how we deal with them without a single chemical spray. Welcome back to the farm. Quick note before we start, this video is sponsored by Copert, the company that makes Isarid and Isarid HG. I've been using Isarid on this farm for 3 years. I wouldn't be telling you about this if I hadn't been using it myself. Link and discount code are in the description. Now let's get back to talking about bugs. Here's what was happening on this farm before Isarid. Thrips were hitting the zinnia beds, silver streaking on the petals, distorting the blooms, flowers that looked beautiful from 10 feet away and wrong up close. The aphids were coating the new growth on the dahlias every summer. I tried neem oil, insecticidal soap. They worked temporarily, none worked sustainably. And anything strong enough to knock the pests down quickly was also wiping out the beneficial insects. The predatory wasps, lacewings, and ladybugs that were naturally keeping pressure in check. What goes wrong if you stay on the chemical cycle? You breed resistant pests, you kill the predators that were helping you for free, and you escalate every season. If you've been spraying and watching the pests come back worse every time, that's not you doing it wrong, that's the chemical trap. I had to stop the chemical arms race because it was actually breeding stronger thrips and aphids on this farm. That's exactly why the biological approach ultimately works, and why I've been running it for 3 years. Let me show you what it is. Isarid is a natural fungus. It's not engineered, not synthetic. It exists in the soil ecosystem already. What makes it different from every chemical spray you've tried is how it works. You spray it on your plants, the spores land on the pests, they attach, they germinate, and the fungus grows inside the bug. The pest stops feeding, slows down, and dies, and the flower stays untouched. The whole process takes 3 to 7 days. First thing that makes this different, bugs cannot build resistance to it. That means you could spray it week after week, all season, and never breed resistant bugs. No escalation, no arms race. That's the thing that makes it a real program instead of a seasonal band-aid. Second, it does not harm the beneficial insects. Your predatory mites, ladybugs, lacewing larvae, Isarid doesn't touch them. So your natural defenders keep working while Isarid handles what they can't. You cannot do that with a chemical spray. Application timing matters. The spores are damaged by UV light, so apply it early in the morning or early evening as the sun is going down. We use a 4-gallon sprayer, and be sure to follow the mixing and storage instructions on the packaging. Humidity optimally needs to be above 50%. In our dry California summers, zone 9B, we time applications right after irrigation first thing in the morning. The soil and foliage moisture carries the humidity the spores need to germinate. If you're in a high humidity area, you're already ahead of the game. But for us in the dry west, timing is everything. Apply at the first sign of pest presence, or do what I do and run it preventatively once you know pressure is coming, not reactively when you have visible infestation. Biological pest management rewards the grower who pays attention and acts early. The targets on our farm: thrips, aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. The first time I used Isarid, I checked the infected area the next day, and the aphids were still on my dahlias. But here's what I didn't understand yet. The product was already working. It was building inside every pest it touched. Unlike chemical spray that kills on contact and wears off in days, Isarid was establishing a biological defense. If you've tried a natural pesticide before and given up because it didn't seem fast enough, I almost made the same mistake. What feels slow is actually more permanent. That's the trade, and 3 years later, I can tell you the trade was worth it. 3 seasons of Isarid on this farm. The thrip pressure on our zinnia beds is the lowest it's been since we started growing. You'll see some in the beds, but their numbers over the last 2 seasons have been consistently lower than our first season before the program. Not zero, there is no pest program that produces 0, but these flowers are 100% sellable blooms. The aphid pressure on our dahlias has moderated significantly. We still see them in the early weeks when the new growth is the softest, but we're not seeing the heavy coating on stem after stem that we had before. The beneficial insect population in these beds is visibly healthier too. None of that happened overnight, trust the timeline. Isarid is not the right tool if you have a severe active infestation and need it gone within 48 hours. For that situation, you may need a fast-acting option first and then transition to it for ongoing management going forward. Isarid is the right tool if you want a sustainable program you can run all season, week after week, without building pest resistance, without harming your beneficial insects, and without putting chemical residue on what you're growing for your home, your family, or your market. For home gardeners and growers in July, Koppert is launching Isarid HG. The HG is for home and garden, and it will be packaged in a smaller individual home use packet. You can treat your beds the way we treat ours: a backyard cutting garden, a raised bed setup, a small market operation. The scale is now right for all of it. If you've been dealing with pests and didn't know a biological option existed at this scale, now you do. One thing I haven't mentioned yet: Isarid is approved as a soil drench for fungus gnat larvae in some states, as well as a foliar spray for above ground pests. That means you can attack the life cycle at both stages. 2 delivery methods from one product. Most people only know about the spray. Thrips, aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. They are the 4 garden pests that hit flower farms and home gardens the hardest in the summer. Chemical sprays knock them down, but kill your beneficial insects, build resistance, and leave residue on what you're growing. Isarid is a biological insecticide, a natural fungus that infects and kills pests without harming beneficials, without residue, and without building resistance. 3 to 7 day timeline. Apply early morning or early evening time after irrigation in dry conditions. Run it preventatively from first sign of pest presence. And starting in July 2026, Isarid HG is available for the first time. It is the backbone of our entire pest program. Link and discount code are at the very top of the description. Natural Enemies by Koppert. Isarid Home and Garden, available for gardeners and small farms starting in July for the first time. That wraps the Farm System series. All 3 videos are linked in the description. Part 1 covers fertilizer. Part 2 covers the injector. Both are right here. I make these videos so you stop guessing and start understanding why things work. If that's been helping you, subscribe. There's a lot more coming. If you try Isarid HG, I'd love to hear how it goes. Let me know in the comments what pest is giving you the most trouble right now. I read every single one. Until next time, live life in full bloom.